Hi, buddies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good and happy journaling. So, this is episode 6 of Will This Kit Be Enough? Okay, so before we start today's episode, I just want to say this journal is slowly becoming one of my favorite things I have ever created on this channel. And every episode feels different now. Every challenge changes the mood of the journal completely. And I think that's my favorite thing about journaling. No two pages ever feel the same. And that's what makes this series even more exciting for me. Because I genuinely don't know how this journal is going to look in the end. And now let's see what's still left inside the kit. Honestly, we have already used quite a lot of things. Some sticker sheets are getting emptier, few scrap papers are already gone, and even the washi tapes are slowly getting smaller now. But somehow, there are still so many things left inside this kit. And now I'm genuinely confused. What's going to finish first, the journal or the kit? And honestly, that question is becoming more interesting after every episode. And yes, this journal is still going to one of you as a giveaway. So if you still don't know the giveaway rules, make sure to watch the first episode of this series. And one more important thing, I noticed some of you are commenting here on YouTube, but not following me on Instagram yet. So please make sure to follow me there too, because that's where I'll contact the winner and ask for the address to send this journal. Alright then, let's continue filling this journal.
Hi. So your first challenge is only stickers allowed.
Okay, this actually sounds fun. I'm ready. Let's go. So, these are all the sticker sheets we got inside the kit. And honestly, there are so many cute ones here. And there are also these tiny mini stickers. And now I have to make a full page using only stickers. I always struggle while choosing the stickers because once the pretty ones are used, they are gone forever. I think sticker only pages always look extra fun because everything already has so much personality. And honestly, I'm trying really hard not to overcrowd this page, but these stickers are making that difficult. And yeah, this is how it turned out.
Okay, this page literally looked like sticker heaven.
And honestly, this challenge was really fun. I think sticker pages feel very playful and full of energy. And because everything is already beautifully designed, the page comes together really smoothly.
That sounds interesting. Alright, so your next challenge is check pattern.
Okay, but there's barely anything checked pattern inside this kit. But I'm ready. So let's go. There's only this one scrap paper with a check pattern. So I think I'll have to create the rest myself. But that's alright, I'm ready for that also. So I'm cutting strips from this pastel pink paper and making my own check pattern. And honestly, this is the fun part. And sometimes, if something doesn't exist, we can just create it ourselves. And honestly, handmade details make journal pages feel even more personal. And this is how the page turned out.
Okay, this doesn't even look handmade anymore.
And honestly, I love that. I think creativity becomes more fun when we stop waiting for perfect materials. Sometimes the best things come from creating something yourself. And even in real life, if something you want doesn't exist yet, maybe you are supposed to create it.
Okay, wow. That's actually motivational.
Maybe journaling teaches life lessons too.
Alright, so your final challenge is make a photo frame.
Oh, okay. This one sounds really cute. And I'm ready for that. Okay, let's go. So there's this oval shaped design on the sheet, and I'm cutting out the center part to turn it into a tiny frame. And the best part is, I'm not going to paste anything inside the frame because whoever wins this journal can place their own picture inside it. So finally, this is how the final page turned out.
Okay, this page feels really soft, personal, and thoughtful.
Yeah, I wanted this journal to feel personal for the person who receives it, not just decorated. And I think that's my favorite thing about journaling. You can leave little spaces for memories. Now, let me show you all the pages which we created today. So, this first page was completely made using only stickers. And honestly, I didn't expect it to look this full and detailed. I think sticker pages always have this very playful energy. Everything feels bright, cute, and alive. And this one was the check pattern challenge. Probably one of the most creative pages from today's episode. I really love the fact that most of this pattern was handmade. And this final page feels really soft and personal. And honestly, I think this might be one of the calmest page I have made so far. So yeah, that's it for today. And honestly, I'm really enjoying making this series with all of you. Seeing your comments, your excitement, and all the love you are giving to this journal, it genuinely means so much to me. And honestly, all of you motivate me a lot too. And one thing I really want to say is, if you ever feel low or stressed or creatively blocked, try journaling. Not for perfection, not for aesthetics, but just for fun. Because journaling is really about expressing yourself, having fun, and letting your creativity breathe a little. And honestly, that little creativity can make you feel much lighter sometimes.
Wow, that sounds interesting and motivating.
So, yeah, that's it for today. Keep creating, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next episode. Okay,
Okay,
bye.
bye.